Hey, hi guys. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. Yes, this is from Surfchique. Get it like surfer, and chic, a chic. You know what I'm saying? So the brand reached out to me by email, I think last year. But girl, I'm gonna put them on blast. They didn't send me whatever they were gonna send, I don't think. So I forgot about it. I was like, whatever. This year they finally sent me an email saying something about a giveaway or something, but I guess it's more like a PR. But they named it I don't know, it was so confusing. I was like, whatever. I entered, even though in my head I was like, and back in my mind I was like, they're probably not gonna send me anything either. I was not even planning for receiving anything, but guess what? They finally did this time. They sent me whatever they were gonna send me, which are fragrances. Damn, looking down, they sent me like 4, so damn, that was worth the wait. So let's see, they sent me this little paper. All right, it says, thanks for applying for this gifted collab for our tropical perfume oils. Oh, they're oils. I've never tried a perfume oil before, so it's pretty nice. And tropical, I love tropical scent. I love the tropical weather. I just can't wait for it to be hot again. But anyway, so this is gifted. This is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this. Okay, they even said it here. It's a gifted collab. So yeah. And before you open each bottle, we loved if you didn't even look at what perfume oil name is. Close your eyes. This sounds like you need to ask before day first kind of thing. Hold up, and just take in the fragrance. This sounds sexual. Is this foreplay for them? Anyway, so, and let us know what you think each one smells like. Okay, everyone's smell is unique to them, so we're really just wanting to get a better sense of what other people think our fragrances smell like, on top of how we describe the products. It always helps to be okay, I'm not gonna read everything, but it's basically perfume. Okay, so yeah, because this video can be that long. Okay, so yay. Okay, see, they sent me my hair 4, and these are pretty big. They're not sample size, girl. They're generous. They sent me 4 big perfume oils. Oh, they smell so good. So I'm gonna close my eyes. Oops, I'm trying not to read the label. I don't want to guess. I mean, I want to guess before I read the label. So I'm gonna start with this one, and let's see. Oops, I almost read it. Let's see what it smells like. It feels like it has like vanilla and coconut scent to it. Let me open it. This smells strong, and I haven't even opened the bottle. That's how good it is. Like, what? I'm kind of scared to. Okay, yeah, it's like a perfume roller thing that you just roll on your freaking body like that. I don't think I like these. I prefer the spritz, but it's okay. It's okay. Ooh, this smells like butterscotch. That candy that grandmas eat. That one, like caramelly, vanilla, yeah. But oops, I got it all in my nose. It smells very good, very sweet. Like, I like sweet scents and strong, like sweet, like that candy. I'm pretty sure, like butter candy, like caramel, like it smells so good. Yeah, I know I'm gonna like this one. Okay, so whatever, I'm just gonna read it, and it says is Cake by the Ocean. So okay, so this is cake. It doesn't smell like cake to me. It smells more like candy, and like butter candy, like yeah, not so much icing. I mean, they did all right. It's a sweet scent for sure. I like it. So let me roll it here. Oh, now it smells like cake, like buttermilk cake. Like, no, with that icing. Wait, it smells a little bit like cake, but more like that candy that I mentioned. Like, Wow, it smells so good. Okay, Surfchique, I like this scent a lot. It smells very good. But I feel like for a while you're gonna be like, I'm over this scent, it's too much kind of scent. I think this you could wear for your birthday, since it's cake and it's sweet. It's not maybe for every day for most people, but I like it. But yeah, not for maybe for special occasions. I don't know, but wow, I like this one. Okay, this is a fun game. Oops. So okay, I'm gonna smell this one and see what scent it is. So it's blue. So oh, this one smells like older lady, like more classic, more professional. Like this you will wear for a job interview or on a date, like clean and fresh, not so much. Wait, yeah, like tropical, like candy. This smells like a body spray you used to wear as a kid, like from Bath and Body Works, like cucumber melon. It smells kind of, you already know, everybody, all the millennials know. We used to wear cucumber melon body spray from what, Bath and Body Works, or with, wow, I can't remember the other brands. But it smells like that. Wow, everybody will use it, but it's because it does smell good. And well, I'm not a millennial, I'm a zillennial. I'm in the cusp of millennial and Gen Z, but I grew up like a millennial, so I just say millennial. Sometimes I say Gen Z. It's just depends who I'm talking to, the vibe. But I'm zillennial, okay? FYI. But this smells so good. Wow. Yeah, it smells like that same cucumber melon, like tropical, a little bit sweet, a little bit clean, a little bit fresh, a little bit. Okay, let me just switch it here. So okay, here it smells more like cucumber melon. So whenever you smell it here, it smells different than when you apply it on your skin, but very similar. So okay, I like it. It reminds me of whenever I was younger. Okay, so I don't use body sprays anymore for like what, the past few years, because of all the chemical it has, and I don't freaking know. And they don't last as long as perfumes, right? I don't even wear perfumes at all, to be honest. I don't have ones. I need perfume, but whatever. So okay, anyways, another rant. Oh, coconut breeze. No, this is definitely not coconut. I don't really smell coconut. Maybe very slight. Yeah, girl, this smells more like cucumber melon than sweet. It's, yeah, their scent names don't go with the scent itself. No wonder they were like, please close your eyes and let us know what you girl, they need to come up with, they need better assistants, people. I don't know who works with them, but the name doesn't go with the scent at all. I don't really get coconut. I don't know if they got mixed up with the labels, but what? It's very slight, but I love coconut, and trust me, girl, that ain't coconut. It's mixed with so many other fragrances here. Maybe that's why it's not really strong, but it's not really coconutty. I don't know if my nose is messed up, but I don't know, it's because I have a lot of nose hairs. That I'm just kidding, but yeah, this is definitely not it. I mean, not it that it's not bad. I'm saying the name doesn't go with this at all, and I don't like that. Because when people are gonna buy it, they think, oh, it's coconut, let me buy it, and they smell it and they're gonna be like, this ain't coconut. It's very slight. It's not really strong. Anyway, so enough with that. Okay, so I'm gonna guess this one out. Okay, this one is not strong. I can't really smell it, so let's see. Oops. This one I feel like smells more like coconut than the other one that says coconut wet with popcorn. Like butter, like that specific candy. I know which one. Their perfume smells like that, and salty, a little bit salty, more warm, not as sweet as the other ones. and a little bit coconutty. So if you don't like super sweet, this one's a little bit more for you. It's not so sweet, but it is, but very, very light. More popcorn. I don't know why I keep smelling butter, sweet butter, with a little bit salty butter. I don't. With a little bit of maybe coconut, and I don't freaking know. This doesn't smell. It smells good, but it's not my favorite, I think. Okay, let me just swatch it. Yeah, like salty butter with sweet, like sweet and salty popcorn. This is kind of what it smells like. Like if you like sweet and salty mixed together, that's literally, it smells like food and candy. So if you don't like sweet candy fragrances, you're probably not gonna like this collection at all. Yeah, but why do I keep smelling popcorn? I don't know. Okay, so this is sand and your sheets. So supposedly sand smells like this. I don't know, I've never gone to the beach. Excuse me, I know I need to go. That's depressing, but or maybe I have and I can't remember. But yeah, I haven't. So this doesn't really smell, yeah, like sand, like beachy sand. No, but I guess tropical vibes. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like how I picture it. So their names, I'm sorry, Surfchique, but your names, they don't match. You need to do a better job, okay? So the last one is, ooh, this one smells like perfume, not sweet, like professional, like going on a date, a job, like things that you need to wear perfume for, like to go out, not so much fun, candy, whatever. Sweet, not really that more. And I feel like I already used this perfume a long time ago for some reason. All of these scents are throwbacks where we used to wear, oh my gosh, or that people would wear at school, or like teachers or somebody in my class. I don't freaking know. I just know there's somebody that I know used this scent. All of these, well, the first one, the cucumber melon, and then this one, it smells so good. All of these smell good. I think this is one of my tops, like for every day. And I think the cucumber melon and the cake. The sand, I don't know, it wasn't my favorite, but anyway. So okay, let me just swatch it here. Okay, kind of smells like cucumber melon and coconutty, but here more professional, more. Okay, I feel like this one kind of has a mix of all of the other three, but mainly more adult, less sweet, a little bit more fresh, clean, more than sweet, or like, but still sweet. All of these still have sweet, but this one has less. These two, the last two, but both are really sweet. Okay, Brazilian Storm. All right, I guess it kind of makes sense because it's kind of like I smell a little bit of everything. So, but it smells just like the, I don't know, it's because I'm swatching it. Let me see, let me swatch in different hand. Okay, yeah, it smells more like to go out more professionally. So, but it kind of smells different here than here. Here more professionally, here a little bit more sweet, mixed with coconut, mixed with other things. Okay, I like it. Okay, it's nice. Maybe it's also your pH, your pheromones. Obviously, that has a lot to do with fragrances. It's not gonna smell the same as in the bottle as when you have it on. So that's also why with your warmness and, you know, so, but so far I like all of these scents. Fragrance oils, my bad. I think that's, yeah. So I don't know if these are long lasting, but they smell okay. Now that it kind of settled in, it smells professionally, like I was saying, like fresh, clean, really good Wow, I like all of these scents. I think I'm glad they sent me these because, girl, I don't have perfume. I just have an old body spray that I don't really use that I might use. And I think that's all. Yeah, these are my first fragrances that I've ever received PR-wise, and also that I've ever have, because I've never used fragrance oil before. So this is a pretty cool idea, which, well, I'm so excited to use it. I think because it's my birthday season, I'm gonna use the cake one right now. So the cake, and I'm gonna try and use it and see if it's long lasting, and maybe I do an update and put it at the end of the video and see if my I can open it, if this perfume lasts. So I'm gonna put it a little bit here. Well, this smells like cake, so I'm gonna put it on here. Oops. So a trick I learned is to not rub, to just pat. Okay. Oh, now it smells like cherry, like the artificial cherry scent when I mix it with something else. Anyway, so put a little bit, and behind your ears is where you're supposed to put it here, because when people hug you or like kiss or whatever, or whenever you handshake someone, or when you're around people, they're gonna smell it when you put it here more than here. Yeah, here and here. So the trick is to put it behind your ears, obviously here, your neck. I can remember of your elbows. I can't remember where else were the warm points you're supposed to wear. Fragrance, I forgot, but I don't know where else to put it. Yeah, because I have a long sleeve. So let me just put it here. Where's, put it in the back of my neck a little. Okay. Where else should I put it? I'm gonna put it on my, what is it called, ankles, because who the frick cares? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, I'm rubbing my ankles together. I know. Yeah, because I don't want to ruin this shirt and put this perfume oil, you know. But now I smell like everything. So I think that's all I'm gonna use for today. I think that's enough. I don't know. But yeah, now I'm gonna end it here and see. Let's hope this lasts. If not, it's good to take in your bag and to reapply. It's not so much of a hassle. It's tiny, so yeah. Okay, so wow, thank you, Surfchique. I actually like these. They're pretty nice. They're not wow because like I said, they all smell similar, and which is their goal, obviously, because it's tropical vibes, but the names don't match the scents. So it's kind of misleading to customers. If they buy it, they're not gonna like it. And the business standpoint view, I'm also gonna be saying my business standpoint view and my customer side review, because I like both, honey. Okay, so, and that's just me. So yeah, overall they're nice. Okay, so do I recommend y'all to buy them? No, but it's good to try out for sure. They're not bad. But yeah, I don't know if they're long lasting. Maybe I do. I don't know. You need to see, because sometimes perfume smell good, but when you put it on, it's not that great. So we'll see. I don't have much experience with perfumes, so yeah, probably won't give a good review, to be honest. So okay, I'm gonna end it here. Them 20 minutes in just talking about perfumes. Wow, this is a good conversation starter. Wow. Okay, so bye, thanks for watching.